I knew this day was gonna come. My car is dead. But just yesterday, I'm not even kidding, just yesterday, my cousin let me borrow this. And what is this? This is a jump pack. So basically you take that, it's just like a battery charger for your phone, right? Like a portable one you would take with you. But this one connects to your car. So let's go test this out and see if this can start my car. Well, once again, watch this. Nothing. Open our hood up. There's our positive. I'm gonna turn this on. Full charge. Take our red here, our positive, and then we take our negative and just hook it to something metal. And push jump start green. That's it. Let's try it out. Technology is crazy, man. I mean, I just took a battery charger and car. You should get you one. Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing of this thing. Now, this is the Viking Power Pack. Alright, so when you come on the inside, you're gonna get your jumper cables, positive, negative. You're gonna get the power pack itself, a wall charger to charge this thing from an outlet. You get this, a USB, and an old school iPhone. No one's gonna use that. And then this is so you can charge your power pack from your car. So again, you have one for the house, one for the car. And I'm not sure what this is. I have no idea. Probably won't ever use it. And then you get your manual, but alright, this thing is super easy to use. All you do is hit your power button, 25, 50, 75, 100%. You see that we're 100% full. It does have a flashlight with different modes. There's just a flashing, an SOS type flash, and then just a strobe. After you turn it on and you do want to jump start your car, you have to click this jump start button. So this has to be green for you to use these and jump your car. So this ain't gonna work unless this green jump start button is on. On the side we have, this is where the jumper cables go in. This is that 12 volt to 6 amps out. That is this cord. Again, I don't know what you're gonna use that for. Anyways, you have a USB charger, and this is how you actually charge the whole unit. I'd say this is maybe a pound, if that even. So, as you can see, it just turned off. It does have a power saving mode that if it's not being used, it will turn off after 1 minute, I believe. But yeah, if you live out in the middle of nowhere, and your car sometimes needs to jump, or in any kind of emergency, I think this is a good little buy. 79 bucks, Harbor Freight. You can probably find it cheaper online, possibly, but definitely worth the money.